Hi all, welcome to EduTech AI Prime. Today we are dealing with some important questions based on the subject code UCEST105 Algorithmic Thinking with Python. So we can move on to the first question. What is an algorithm? A step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. It must be clear, finite, and executable. The characteristics of a good algorithm: clear and simple, finite number of steps, language independent, efficient, time and memory, produces correct output. What is a flowchart? A diagram that shows steps of an algorithm using symbols. Helps understand logic visually. Flowchart symbols: oval, start, stop; rectangle is process; parallelogram, input or output; diamond, decision; arrow, flow of control. What is pseudocode? A high-level description of an algorithm using plain English plus programming structure. Not a programming language, easy to convert into Python code. What is the difference between algorithm versus flowchart versus pseudocode? Algorithm means written steps, flowchart means diagram, pseudocode means structural English. What are variables? Names used to store data. 8 rules for naming variables or identifiers. Start with a letter or underscore. No special characters. Cannot use keywords. Case sensitive. What are Python data types? Int is whole numbers. Float, decimals. str, test. Bool means true or false. 5. List, tuple, dictionary, set. What is an expression? A combination of values, variables, and operators that produces a result. Types of Python operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, identity operators. What is type conversion? Implicit conversion and explicit conversion. Implicit conversion means done automatically. Explicit conversion means done using functions. What is input in Python? User to take data from user, always return string. What is output function? Print is used to display output. Python program structure: commands, input statements, process or logic, output statements. Difference between implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion done by Python automatically. Save. Example: int plus float is float. Explicit type conversion done by programmer. May lose data. Example: int of double quotes 10. What is indentation in Python? Spaces used to indicate code blocks. It is very important. Wrong indentation is equal to error. Write algorithm and flowchart for sum of two numbers. Algorithm: start, read AB, compute C is equal to A plus B, print C, stop. Then the flowchart: first start, then input, then into process, then output, then end. Write pseudocode for finding largest of three numbers. Start. Read A, B, C. If A greater than B and A greater than C, then print A is largest. Else if B greater than C, then print B is largest. Else print C is largest. End if stop. What are comments in Python? Notes in code ignored by Python helps understand program. So let's conclude our video. We can continue our next parts on the next videos. Stay tuned. It's me Akshay. Goodbye.